Okay, I want to take you through a quick little example of a polynomial equation where we're going to solve by factoring. So this is section 4.5. So to be able to solve by factoring, we need 0 on one side. So what we're going to do is simply bring this 3x squared over. We'll write it after the x cubed. And then we're going to bring over the minus 21 by adding 21. And that would be equal to 0. Okay, so the technique that we're going to use to factor is factor by grouping. We have 4 terms, so we should be able to split this down the middle. On the left side, I factor out an x squared. And when you do that, you'll be left with x minus 3 inside parentheses. So for this technique to work, I must be able to have an x minus 3 on the other side. So number that needs to be on the outside then is a negative 7. Okay, because negative 7 times x, there's the negative 7x, and a negative 7 times negative 3 is the 21. Okay, so the pieces on the outside make up a factor, and then x minus 3 is your other factor. Okay, so now, as soon as it's in factored form, we can't factor anymore. That's not, 7 is not a perfect square. So what you do in this case is you just set each of the factors equal to 0, and then you have your solutions. So this one's easy. What makes an x minus 3 0 is a positive 3. Okay, so one of our solutions is x equals 3. Now, not as easy, but we've done problems like this where we're solving by the square root method. So to figure out what makes an x squared minus 7 0, I set it equal to 0, and in 2 moves, I will have the answers. Okay, so the first move is to add a 7, and then to undo squaring, I take the square root. And then it's your job to remember, whenever you take the square root, you have a positive root and a negative root. So there's actually 3 answers, root 7, negative root 7, and 3 are your solutions. Okay, so that's a quick little warm-up to just illustrate when we don't have perfectly nice answers. So this is still a real answer, it's just irrational. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully that makes sense. Take care.